My name is Serenity Crane, and I'm a writer, a gymnast, an author, and one or two other things I do. But after talking to Mark, I'm absolutely convinced that Mark should replicate his Penliner, because it's a fantastic camping machine.
Is it called the English Penliner?
English Penliner.
I will have a look. Penliner. Ta-da, thank you. Bye.
The elevation is about 75,000 feet in the air. We're doing good considering we don't need oxygen. Takes 3 weeks to get up here, 4 weeks if you stop for breakfast or something. And yeah, so as you can see, we've made it to the touchstone, which is the highest point of Brean Down. I'll just give you a quick pan round, watching the sun in my eyes, and as you can see, beautiful scenery all around me. Don't you just love the British weather? So now the rain's come with the storm. I don't know if you can hear it. What does the rain sound like when you're in an English Penliner and you can see it coming down up there? But I quite like the sound of the rain. It's not too loud in here because all the walls and the roof are insulated. So the wind's getting up now. So we've got to. What I'm going to do is let the air out the awning. On the other side, because the wind's picking up, just letting that down. The table's gone. Oh, look at that. Don't you just love camping in England? Bernadette. Raining, isn't it? Okay, it's the second night of, I don't know what's going on out there, hailstones or something. My God. Well, thank you very much.
No problem at all. Happy camping.
So we've made it to the beach. And look who we've... Well, actually, the first thing I've got to say is you're allowed to drink on the beach now because of social distancing. But if I just pan behind me, you're never going to believe who we've bumped into again. Two people that followed us all the way down from Birmingham to have a look at the English Penliner, and we only found them on the beach. Look at that. I'm going to be polite. Slowly walk away. I hope this microphone's working. But at last we've made it to the beach. Yep. We are camping in southwest England, Somerset, and we've actually got out of the garden. Look, there's a little chisel, make sure it's not sticking. Here's an update from inside the Penliner, and we are getting well buffeted now. It's really starting to have it now. But I can tell you, so far the roof is still on. Yeah. Definitely the windiest. We've been windy before in the garden, but we've never been exposed like this as we are now. don't know if you're picking this up, but we're getting well rocked here. This is just to show you how much the wind is pushing the camper. We're all a little bit windswept. Phew. Say about the trip down here. I'll spare you all the grief, the hysterics, the crying, and the M27 was shut at the junction we needed to get off. Nobody set the sat nav to avoid motorways. Absolutely. Let's not go there. Let's just enjoy Bembridge. Hello. Look at Lucy's place. Got a tree house. This is an interview for Alfie now, and Kira, his advisor. What are you doing today then, Alf? Are you going up the hill, or are you going to the beach? What is it today? Are you going to play ball? Oh, there's your choices. You can go for a walk. Ooh. You can go to the beach, or you can play ball. Oh, I think the nod there. If I play that back in slow motion, I think there's a nod there for the ball. Ugly doke. That was your moment of fame, Alfie. Oh, yes. Raining again. Let's have a look. As you can see, we're taking all the gear in. And the flag has stopped going like a freight train now, but unfortunately, it's looking like a sinking ship. Oh dear.
Right, we can see our new game.
Right.
Explain the game for now.
Yeah, throw the ball.
Throw the ball that way.
Direction. Then first of the dogs to chase this man. Ready?
And she's running. She's running. He's got ya.
I think that's going to be the end of our journey. I think that might be shutting it. I mean, my God. And then it's slow getting on the slip road for the M6 South, which is our exit. traffic lights to let the more idiots back into the already overloaded traffic system.